All right, hello and welcome. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, the day after the fallout. I hope yesterday went well. I was reading all the tweets from the college board. Apparently 2 to 3% of students had some technical issues with uploading and stuff, and basically they'll eventually have to take a makeup test in June. Some students apparently got a confirmation when they took the test, and then several hours later during the night or something they got an email saying one of their questions didn't upload. So all sorts of weird things are happening, but I think they are fixing all that, and we'll find out how it goes with the calculus test today that's going on right now actually. And since it's a much bigger pool than AP Physics C, we'll see how their infrastructure handles all these students, right? Yeah, because I see a lot of you are just taking a nap. Well, our goal today is to discuss our final project, and then I'll let you guys go. So it'll be a pretty short stream. I've decided to make the car project into some sort of a portfolio type assignment, like a PDF type assignment that you turn in, and so it'll be submitted through Canvas, and I'll use the grade from this assignment as part of your final grade as well. So this will balance out the final exam grade with this project grade, so that there's not all of your test points are straight from the exam, so it doesn't kill your grade or anything like that. All right, so let's see if I can pull this up. Here's the idea, and we'll walk through this. So the goal is to turn our RC car project into a portfolio assignment. This will be a part of your final grade, as I just said. So you'll submit this as a PDF document, right? So here are the things that you want in this document. So ideally just type it up in Word, paste all your pictures in there, and then file save as PDF and upload. Everyone has to upload it, so even if you worked with a partner, you have to upload this, I guess, the same file. You can do that, but you need to upload your own file. Everyone uploads the same file if you work with a partner. Well, I think most of you have partners, except maybe like one. All right, so you have a cover page, of course. This is your name, class, date, title. The title should be a name of a car, so you got to give your car a name. Some sort of dedication page, so a one-page write-up. Think about the inspiration behind your design, what you looked at, who you looked at, or whose idea you're stealing from. But more importantly, dedicate the project to someone, and explain why. Explain why you're dedicating it to them. What do they mean to you? So explain who and why you are dedicating this to. Oh, dedicating this to. There we go. 3D schematic. So the next part is your 3D schematic. So this is your Tinkercad file. Remember, each section could be multiple things. It's not just one page. It's not a 5-page document, right? This could be 10 to 15 pages if necessary. So Tinkercad schematics. So go to Tinkercad, take print screens. Make sure you cut your images so it's not showing your browser stuff. Paste it onto like Microsoft Paint, and then crop the image so it's only the actual schematic, so it doesn't show like the browser stuff. So show your schematic, label each part, show dimensions, so draw like little arrows and show how big they are in size. So yeah, in centimeters or something like that. So all of your schematics, so from Tinkercad, and then you should be loading up your STL onto your MakerBot Print, and then give me pictures of your splices. I called it splice. I think I should call it slice. It's a slicer. 3D slice. Make about print screenshots. In parentheses. Show the helper disks, right? So so this is the part where if you have multiple prints, so if you did it in or if you're planning on doing in multiple prints, so you're gonna have to have multiple pictures from 3D print, from MakerBot print, from Tinkercad, etc. So on the initial page where you first load up your STL file, that's the helper disk stuff where you add the helper disk, and then when you hit the render, then you have to do all the render pages. So these are two different images of the same file basically. The first one is the overall three-dimensional file that you get to see when you first load up the STL. This picture is from the STL file. Show the cross section. This is after the render. So after you render your file, right? Remember, you can actually use the little scroll on the side to show different cross sections, but just showing one cross section for each file is enough. Okay, so at least it shows you the cross that you rendered the file. And then finally, the last thing that I would want to see is an advertisement for your car. So include any kind of special features of your car, like some of you, like I think Jason got like super special springs and stuff for his suspension system. So you're gonna have to think fully. Even though you're not making it, you have to have all of your idea ready, right? When you're about to present present something to your company, you have to have all of this stuff figured out before you go into production. You're not going to get funding or money if not if your boss doesn't see can't see the end result. So it's your job to kind of show this to them, right? So the advertisement helps. So create an advertisement for your car, include special features, include a price point. And what I'm going for is kind of a retro design. So here's some examples. Here's an old TV advertisement. I think I have another one. Here's an Atari. Whoa, look, Atari. This is the old Atari advertisement. So explain why it's good, show the thing, and then but of course include a price point. Okay. All right, so that's that. Again, everyone has to submit it, create a PDF, and then turn it in, and then the last thing is your final, which is on the 22nd. All right, so I'll post this stuff on Canvas, and then I'll create a link. If you have any questions, I'll stay for the Q&A sesh. No stream tomorrow, obviously it's Wednesday. You should still practice, especially all the stuff that we skipped, right? So because your final will be everything, so everything is fair game for the final. If you skipped magnetism FRQ questions, now's the time to do those questions. So I'll leave it up to you, right? All right, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to leave it up for the Q&A session after I end the stream. See you next time.